G'day everyone. In this video we're going to demonstrate one of our example applications built on the Cantara Integration Platform. In this case we're going to demonstrate a delivery confirmation application. So let's start by logging in with our JDE username and password. We can also choose the Remember Me option, which means the next time the app loads it will use the security token that the Cantara platform has provided with us so that we don't have to provide our credentials again. So now that we've logged in, we'll put in a shipment number just by entering on our keypad and clicking the search, and that'll retrieve the details from JD Edwards. You can see here we've got a sales order that we want to ship, so we'll go through to the dispatch area, and on this part we can see here we've got a couple of items to be delivered. They're going to Upper Mount Gravatt, and we can choose now to navigate to that direction. So you can see it's loaded up Google Maps for us with a navigate option, and we can actually start turn-by-turn navigation from this screen if we wanted to. Let's return back. Another option we've got on this one is that we might want to choose to record a demurrage event, which means that we're not able to deliver our goods. So you can see here we're showing information about this particular order, including who the site contact is if we want to need to get in hold of them, when we're supposed to be on site, and also a UDC list that lets us choose the reason why we're not able to deliver. For example, there's no crane available to unload. We can also leave a comment. We could use the voice recognition, which we're doing in this case, or we can enter it in with text, and that'll actually leave a media object attachment in JDE. So if I choose to end the demurrage, that will now record the 34 seconds of demurrage for us. So now we're going to go ahead and use our scanner to actually identify the item that we're shipping. So in this case we're just using a code 128 barcode, and that's actually processed a ship confirmation directly into JD Edwards. Okay, so you can see the status has changed. Now let's assume we can't find the other item, so we're going to say the delivery is complete. In this case, we're going to require the user to actually complete a form to explain that they've checked that the item is really missing, marked up the documentation, and actually taken a photo of it for us to prove that the customer is aware that they're not getting everything delivered. And in this case, we can just take a photo of that form, and that again would attach a record in JDE as a media object. We can also leave a comment. Again, keyboard if we choose to. We can use voice recognition on the device. And we can also send an email directly from the application to the sales rep for this order, letting them know that we're short shipping the delivery. But let's just say we've actually found the item, so we've gone back, and now we're going to scan up the tag. And in this case, the item has a QR code rather than 128, so we can just scan that. And again, it's ship confirmed. Now our order has gone green and everything is ready. So let's go through and now actually get our delivery confirmation. So we'll put in the name of our customer and then ask him to sign the device so that we can get proof of delivery, and then finalize our delivery. On finalization, we want to take a photo to make sure that we've actually proved the deliveries of the goods, and then we'll process that through to JDE. And that's it. That order has now been delivered, and those updates have been pushed through live into JD Edwards. Okay, so now that we've seen the mobile application and the transactions go through, let's see what they look like in JDE. So we can see here, this is the order that was delivered through the application. And we can go in and have a look at the header attachments for it. And you'll see there's the photo that we took to prove that we actually delivered the goods. And there's the shot of the screen that was taken with B. Gates' signature on it, as well as the date and time, the user, and the location that that particular image was taken. Now the other thing we can also look at while we're here is in the asset location inquiry. So this is a custom application that we have within JDE, but it can be anything. And you can see here this is the actual physical device. So that's the iPad number, its serial number, its description, its equipment status, the address book number of the user that was logged in, the application that's running, its latitude, longitude, the city or suburb that it's in this case a reference number, so it's the shipment number that it has on board, and the date and time of the last update, as well as this logged in user. And using Cafe One in JDE, we can also then display the actual location on the Google map. So this is just a very quick demonstration of some of the capabilities that we have with the Cantara Integration Platform and our mobile accelerators.